Hello everyone, welcome to session 3 presentation of unit 3 registers and counters. In this session we consider realization of parallel in serial out and parallel in parallel out shift registers. In session 2 we considered the realization of simple serial in serial out shift register and serial in parallel out shift register. In case of serial in serial out shift register, data is entered into the shift register in serial form and also the data is shifted out of the shift register in serial form. Here serial form means that only one bit of data is entered into the shift register and shifted out of the shift register on application of a single clock pulse. In case of serial in parallel out shift register, the data is shifted into the shift register in serial form, but the data is shifted out of the shift register in parallel form. It means that on application of a single clock pulse, one bit of data is loaded into the shift register. The data is shifted out of the shift register in parallel form. For example, if we have a 4-bit serial in parallel out shift register, the data is shifted into the shift register in serial form. The data is shifted out of the shift register in parallel form. It means that 4 bits of data are simultaneously shifted out of the shift register on application of a single clock pulse. The entry of the data is serial, that is only one bit of data is shifted into the shift register, but the output is taken in parallel form, that is on application of a single clock pulse 4 bits of data are shifted out of the shift register. In this session, we consider the realization of simple parallel in serial out shift register using flip-flops, realization of simple parallel in parallel out shift register using flip-flops, and finally we consider multiple choice questions. Realization of simple 4-bit parallel in serial out shift register. In short, PISO shift register. In parallel in serial out shift register, the data bits are entered into the shift register in parallel form, that is simultaneously into the shift register, and the output is taken in serial form. Here data bits are loaded simultaneously into the shift register. We have 4-bit parallel in. It means that 4 bits of data are loaded into the shift register on application of a single clock pulse, but the data is shifted out of the shift register in serial form. It means that only one bit of data is shifted out of the shift register on application of a single clock pulse. The parallel in serial out shift register operates in two modes of operation, that is shift mode and load mode. In order to decide the mode of operation, we have a signal shift load bar. This signal is used to select mode of operation for the 4-bit parallel in serial out shift register. If shift load bar signal is set to binary 1, the circuit operates as a normal shift register. Data bits are shifted from one stage to the next stage. If shift load bar signal is binary 0, mode of operation will be load mode. In this case, the binary input is loaded into the shift register in parallel form. Input bits are loaded into the register simultaneously. If shift load bar signal is binary 1, mode of operation will be shift mode. In shift mode, the data bits are shifted from one stage to the next stage within the shift register. Figure 3.10 shows a 4-bit parallel in serial out shift register. Here the data bits are denoted as D0, D1, D2 and D3. In order to select the mode of operation for this 4-bit parallel in serial out shift register, we have the signal shift load bar. When this shift load bar signal is set to 0, the load operation is activated. The AND gates denoted as G1, G2 and G3 are enabled. The AND gates denoted as G4, G5 and G6 are disabled. The 4-bit input binary data is applied on the input lines D0, D1, D2 and D3. With shift load bar signal set to 0 and the inputs applied to the D0, D1, D2, D3 input lines. When a clock pulse is applied, the parallel 4-bit input binary data is loaded through the OR gates into the 4 flip-flops. Hence, the output of all those flip-flops for which the applied input binary bit is a binary 1 will set, and the output of all those flip-flops for which the applied input binary value is 0 will reset. This means that 4-bit binary data is loaded into the shift register in parallel form. On application of a single clock pulse, the 4 bits of binary data is loaded into the shift register simultaneously. When shift load bar signal is set to high, that is binary 1, circuit operates in shift mode. In this case, the AND gates G1, G2 and G3 are disabled and the AND gates G4, G5 and G6 are enabled. The OR gates will allow the normal shifting operation. When a clock pulse is applied, the data bits stored within the flip-flops are shifted from one stage to the next stage. In this circuit, the data bits are shifted from left to right and the bits appear at the output of flip-flop 3 and it is indicated as Q3. The parallelly loaded data will shift out of the shift register in serial form and this serial output is observed at the output Q3. Table 3.3 shows the function table for the 4-bit parallel in serial out shift register. Assume that we want to enter a 4-bit binary number 0101 into the shift register in parallel form and we want to shift this binary number out of the parallel in serial out shift register in serial form. Initially, the shift load bar signal is set to binary 0. It means that the load mode of operation is selected. Binary input value 0101 is applied to the data inputs D0, D1, D2 and D3 with the shift load bar signal set to binary 0 and the 4-bit binary input number applied to the input lines D0, D1, D2 and D3. When the first clock pulse is applied, the 4-bit binary number is simultaneously loaded into the 4 flip-flops and this number appear at the output of the 4 flip-flops. Hence, the values of Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 will be 0, 1, 0, 1. We have applied a binary 0 to D0 input, binary 1 to D1 input, binary 0 to D2 input and binary 1 to D3 input. With shift load bar signal set to 0, when the first clock pulse is applied, the value of D0 is loaded into first register and this value will appear at the output Q0. The value of D1 will be loaded into the second flip-flop and it will appear at the output line Q1. The value of D2 will be loaded into this third flip-flop and it will appear at the output line Q2. The value of D3 is loaded into the fourth flip-flop and it will appear at the output line Q3. It means that when shift load bar signal is binary 0 and when a clock pulse is applied, 4-bit binary value is loaded into the shift register simultaneously and the 4-bit binary value will appear at the output of the individual flip-flops. After the first clock pulse, the shift load bar signal is set to binary 1. It means that the circuit is now shifted to operate in the shift mode of operation. In shift mode of operation, the AND gates G1, G2 and G3 are disabled. The AND gates G4, G5 and G6 are enabled. The outputs of flip-flops Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 at the end of first clock pulse will be 0, 1, 0, 1. When the second clock pulse is applied, the values of Q0 will be shifted through the AND gate G4 and through the OR gate to the second flip-flop, and this value will appear at the output of second flip-flop. It means that the value of Q0, which is 0, it will be shifted to the output of second flip-flop, and it is denoted as Q1. Similarly, the value of Q1, which was binary 1, will be shifted through the AND gate G5 and through the OR gate to the output of the third flip-flop. It means that the value of Q1, which was binary 1 at the end of first clock pulse, will be shifted to the output of the third flip-flop, and it is denoted as Q2. Now you have Q2 set to binary 1. Similarly, the value of Q2 at the end of first clock pulse was 0. This will be shifted to the output of fourth flip-flop. Value of Q2 is shifted to the output line Q3. Hence, the value of Q2 0 is shifted to the output Q3. In this way, in shift mode, binary bits which are loaded into the parallel in serial out shift register will shift one bit from one stage to the next stage, and the bits will shift out of the shift register in serial form. That is, only one bit is shifted out of the shift register in serial form. At the end of second clock pulse, the state of the shift register will be Q0 equal to 0, Q1 equal to 0, Q2 equal to 1, and Q3 equal to 0. When the third clock pulse is applied, the bits are shifted to the right by 1 bit position. Value of Q0 will be shifted to Q1. Value of Q1 will be shifted to Q2. Value of Q2 will be shifted to Q3. Hence, at the output Q3, we will get a binary 1. When the fourth clock pulse is applied, the bits are shifted to the right by 1 bit position again, and the value binary 0 will shift out of the shift register, and it will appear at the output of Q3. The input binary value, which is loaded into the shift register in parallel form, is 0101. This parallel input binary number will shift out of the shift register in serial form. After the first clock pulse, the last bit of the input binary value, that is binary 1, will be shifted out of the shift register. After the second clock pulse, the next LSB bit, binary 0, will be shifted out of the shift register. After the third clock pulse, the next binary input value, that is binary 1, will shift out of the shift register. After the fourth clock pulse, the MSB bit, that is binary 0, will shift out of the shift register. In this way, in parallel in serial out shift register, we load the input binary number in parallel form, and we shift out this number in serial form. Figure 3.11 shows the timing waveforms for the parallel in serial out shift register. Realization of simple 4-bit parallel in parallel out, in short PIPO shift register. In parallel out shift register, the input binary value is loaded into the shift register in parallel form, and also the output is shifted out of the shift register in parallel form. As soon as a clock pulse is applied, the input binary value will be loaded into the shift register simultaneously, and also the loaded bits will appear at the output of the individual flip-flops at the same time. Figure 3.12 shows a simple 4-bit parallel in parallel out shift register. This shift register is constructed using D flip-flops. The inputs are denoted as A, B, C, and D. The outputs of the flip-flops are denoted as QA, QB, QC, QD. A 4-bit binary value is applied to the data inputs A, B, C, and D. When a clock pulse is applied, the values present on the input lines A, B, C, D will be loaded into the flip-flops, and the values will also appear on the output lines QA, QB, QC, QD simultaneously. To understand the operation of this 4-bit parallel in parallel out shift register, Consider table 3.4, which shows the function table of 4-bit parallel in parallel out shift register. Initially, assume that all the flip-flops are cleared so that the outputs QA, QB, QC and QD all set to binary 0. Before the application of first clock pulse, assume that we have applied a binary value 1010 on the data input lines A, B, C and D respectively. When the first clock pulse is applied, the value 1010 present on the inputs A, B, C, D will be directly loaded into the individual flip-flops, and this value will also appear at the output of the individual flip-flops. Hence, the value of A will be shifted to the output line QA. The value of input B will be shifted on the output line QB. The value of C, that is 1, is shifted to the output line QC. The value of input D is shifted to the output line QD. Hence, the 4-bit binary value 1010 will be loaded into the shift register simultaneously on application of the first clock pulse, and this input value will also appear at the output of the individual flip-flops. Similarly, before applying the second clock pulse, assume that we have the second input binary number 0110. This 4-bit binary input 0110 is applied on the data inputs A, B, C, D. After the second clock pulse, the values present on A, B, C, D will be shifted to the output of the individual flip-flops. That is, value of A is shifted to QA, value of B shifted to output QB, value of C shifted to output QC, and value of D shifted to output QD. The value 0110 will appear at the output lines QA, QB, QC, QD after the second clock pulse. Similarly, before applying the third clock pulse, assume that we have the 4-bit input binary value 1111. This value is applied on the input lines A, B, C, D. When the third clock pulse is applied, the values present on A, B, C, D will be shifted to the output lines QA, QB, QC and QD respectively. Outputs QA, QB, QC and QD will all set after the third clock pulse. In this way, the 4-bit binary input is loaded into the shift register in parallel form. That is, the 4 bits are loaded into the shift register simultaneously on application of a single clock pulse, and also these loaded 4 bits will appear on the output of the individual flip-flops on application of the single clock pulse. Now consider some multiple choice questions. The parallel in serial out shift register operates in shift mode, load mode, both A and B, none of these. We know that the parallel in serial out shift register operates in two modes of operation, that is shift mode and the load mode. The answer for this question is C, both A and B. Second question, a parallel in parallel out 5-bit shift register initially contains all zeros. The data 11011 is waiting to enter. After the first clock pulse, the register output is. In this question, we have 5-bit shift register and it is initially reset. The output of all the 5 flip-flops are 0. The data 11011 is waiting to enter the shift register. In parallel out shift register, we know that data is loaded into the shift register in parallel form, and after the application of a single clock pulse, the data which is loaded into the shift register in parallel form will appear at the output of the individual flip-flops. After the first clock pulse, 5-bit value 11011 will appear at the output of the individual flip-flops. Hence, the output of the register in this case will be 11011. The answer for this question is D, 11011. Third question, a parallel in serial out 4-bit shift register initially contains all zeros. Initially, the binary value 0111 is loaded in load mode and the register is switched to the shift mode. After 4 clock pulses, the register output observed at serial output terminal is. In parallel in serial out shift register, we have two modes of operation, load mode and shift mode. Initially, the binary value 0111 is loaded into the shift register and the register is shifted to the shift mode. This parallel data loaded into the shift register will shift out of the shift register in serial mode. That is, one bit is shifted out of the shift register. LSB bit, that is binary 1, will be shifted as the first bit shifted out of the shift register. After the first clock pulse, the LSB bit is shifted out of the shift register. After the second clock pulse, the next LSB bit, that is binary 1, is shifted. Hence, after two clock pulses, value 11 will be shifted out of the shift register. After the third clock pulse, the next bit, that is binary 1, will be shifted out of the shift register. After three clock pulses, the value 111 will be shifted out of the shift register. After the fourth clock pulse, the MSB bit, that is binary 0, will shift out of the shift register. After 4 clock pulses, value shifted out of the shift register will be 1110. The answer for this question is B, 1110. Fourth question, a parallel in serial out 8-bit shift register is initially cleared. Initially, the binary value 11110000 is loaded in load mode and the register is switched to the shift mode. After 8 clock pulses, the register output observed at serial output terminal is. Here again we have a parallel in serial out shift register. It is a 8-bit shift register. Initially value 11110000 is loaded into the shift register in load mode and the register is switched to shift mode. After the first clock pulse, the LSB bit of the data loaded parallelly, that is binary 0, will be shifted out of the shift register. After second clock pulse, the next LSB bit, that is binary 0, will be shifted out of the shift register. In this way, after the fourth clock pulse, the 4 LSB zeros will be shifted out of the shift register. And after the next 4 clock pulses, the 4 ones will be shifted out of the shift register. It means that after 8 clock pulses, the binary value 00001111 will shift out of the shift register. Hence, the answer for this question is C, 00001111. Fifth question, PISO and PIPO shift registers are A. Synchronous sequential circuits, asynchronous sequential circuits, combinational circuits, none of these. Parallel in serial out and parallel in parallel out shift registers are synchronous sequential circuits because the flip-flops in these shift registers are triggered using the same clock pulse and also they have the memory. Hence, they are synchronous as well as they are sequential. The answer for this question is A. Synchronous sequential circuits. Thank you everyone.